Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new BOYA Mini 2 upgraded super mini wireless microphone with AI noise cancellation. This is of course true AI noise cancellation up to minus 40 decibels. The mic itself is up to 5 grams, meaning it is very compact, very small, and not heavy at all whenever you want to stick it onto here, or if you want to hold it. I love those types of microphones, if I'm being honest with you. Also, it has studio quality sound, supporting 24-bit audio. And again, I will test it out, don't worry, there's going to be different stages to this. And starting off with the unboxing. So I believe this is the kind of glossier black. You're going to see it with your own two eyes. This is a much darker black, almost like matte. They're also coming out with a new color very soon. I believe it's called Lunar Silver. It looks beautiful. You can check it out on their website. And they also do have a central app that you can check out. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys the features. So starting off with the case that you are given, as you can see, you can simply close it and then can open it. You can put everything that you get here, place it in here. All the boring stuff, the warning policy, the instruction manual, we don't need that. Silica gel, we don't need. And the charger, the Type-C charger for the actual charging station for the microphone is inside here. So you would just simply plug this into a head of the charger and then place this into here, and then you'll be fine. And then finally you have the Type-C input. This is what you will be placing into your phone for the microphone to actually connect and the interaction. Now for people who don't have a Type-C, well, you are covered. Just by the way, I just want to mention the beautiful glossy color, as you can see right over here, BOYA. If you open it up, you'll notice that they also have a lightning port, so this can fit into pretty much every single phone out there. You have a lightning and you also have a Type-C, so you don't have to worry about it not working. And then here is the actual microphone. You are given two that you could test out. Alright, now that I've showed you everything inside the box, I will be connecting this piece of microphone into the phone that is currently recording, and I will be showing you the actual sound quality when it comes to this. It might even lessen the audio of the AC that's currently behind me. So let me connect everything and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright everybody, so as promised before, I have cleared up my workspace and I have connected the BOYA Mini 2. First thing you will notice is my voice is a lot more crispy, explicit, and a lot more direct. You'll also notice that the AC now that was behind me is going to sound like it's not even there. That is the true AI noise cancellation that they claim, and this is here right now. It is in action. I just simply took the little input that they give you. There's a lightning and a Type-C. I connected the Type-C in my phone because that's what it took, and in 20 seconds there was a blinking blue dot. It's gonna be hard to see here, but there is a dot over here that's currently green because it's in noise reduction mode. But pretty much this blinking blue dot went into a clear blue dot that wasn't blinking anymore, and that symbolized that it did finally connect. And upon connecting, I just simply turned on the recording, and here you are. There's also a button right over here. By simply clicking this button, you'll notice that the AC might be a bit more noticeable now, and my voice definitely changed. This is the difference between reduction mode that's now on and the reduction mode that's now off. That is the difference between the noise cancellation. So as you could see, you could also have a little clip on right over here that you could simply bring back, put this right over here, clear everything up, and as you could see, I have everything on. Everything sounds perfectly fine, and that is the beauty of BOYA. I don't really have much to say other than I don't see the reason why you wouldn't purchase this. I mean, you're given not one but two different microphones. You're given a lightning and a Type-C input, a charger, very high battery life, constantly new colors, constant customer support if you need access to them. They have everything. That is the perfection that comes with BOYA. That is all for the BOYA Mini 2. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you all have a phenomenal day. Thank you guys.